Hello, Scott with SkipperBud's here in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here we have our new 2023 Aria 22UC dual captain chairs with their new lounger designed specifically for the Aria lineup. See the furniture's nice cutouts again for cup holders there. Still has a doggy dish. And then you've got your Aria helm. It does come with a Lowrance hook GPS fish finder. Even though this is the Aria, it still comes standard with the power bimini. Of course, you got your two captain chairs. And then your a little bit more basic lounger for an Aria. It does have a little bit of an extended deck on the back here. And of course, we have this boat equipped with the Mercury 150. It does have a nice battery switch on the outside, which is nice. You don't have to open up a seat to open it up or turn it on or off. It is equipped with a in-floor storage locker as well. It does come standard with a Hertz audio, which is Bluetooth. And of course, there's storage underneath all your seats. There's a gate there that you can shut if you want to keep the interior of the boat shut off from the back. Plenty of leg room for the driver. Got your power bimini controls, of course all your switches there. Nice little cell phone holder. There you go. If you have any questions, any further interest, please give us a call. We'll be happy to assist.